Welcome to the Managing Your Exclusion List tutorial. Exclusion lists enable us to create a set of products that will be removed from our search results. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create these lists for use on your site. To access the exclusion list area, click on Features and select Exclusion Lists from the drop-down. In the exclusion list area, we are able to search for an existing exclusion list using the search box here. We can also see all of our existing exclusion lists, their level, if they're active, and the available actions. The name, level, and active fields are all able to be sorted by clicking on the heading. In the Actions area, we can click on Edit to manage the properties of the exclusion list here on the right. We can activate or deactivate the exclusion list, change its name, and update its description. Then, we can just click on the Save Properties button. The products within the exclusion list will be shown here, below the exclusion list grid. Please note that an exclusion list must be active in order to be applied to the site. To create a new exclusion list, we can click on Create an Exclusion List button here, below the exclusion list, or at the top here. We can type a name for this exclusion list as well as a description. Let's name this list Condoms because we do not want to include this type of product on our site. Then, let's click on the Active checkbox. Now, let's click on Save. The new list will appear in the exclusion list grid. To add products to an exclusion list, we can click on the Search for Products button. Now, we can search for the specific products we would like to include in this exclusion list. We can search by keyword, product number, or use the guided navigation to narrow our results. In this example, let's start with a basic keyword search for condoms. Next, let's use the Narrow Results area to focus in on items classified specifically as condoms by clicking on the category with that name. After we select specific items, we can add them one at a time to the clipboard by clicking on the Add to Clipboard button. We can also add multiple products to the clipboard at the same time by marking the products, then clicking on the Marked Items button and select Add Marked Products to Clipboard. Now, the item or items you want to include in the exclusion list are saved on your clipboard. After we've added all the products we would like to exclude from our search to the clipboard, we can use the Select Action button to select all and then choose Add to Current Exclusion List. If you have other products on your clipboard from another project, select the ones that you want by placing a check mark in the box and then Add to Current Exclusion List. Please note that the maximum number of products per exclusion list is 96. Our exclusion list is now saved and ready for use on our site. To learn how to apply the exclusion list to your site, please review the Site Passwords and Exclusion tutorial. Thank you for watching the Managing Your Exclusion List tutorial.